museum just look at all of us and say ba?
Mm-hmm.
Ba.
What's that mean?
Ba.
Ba's all around.
Ba.
Whoa.
Grandma, I gotta come over here and say ba to you.
Ba.
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 Ba. Bop. Bop.
Oh, bop. Bop.
Bop.
Bop.
Oh, almost got a couple steps on camera. Got that on video.
Good job.
How come now I can't back up on this? You don't want to hit the screen.
Ba. Ba.
Bop. Bop. Bop.
Ba. Ba.
Bop.
I think that's the noise a car makes.
Mm-hmm.
I think Mama should make it with you.
You gotta learn to be Rob Vest and go.
Oh, in the elevator, can you make it go down now? Remember how to do it? Like this, Jude. Let's get it all the way in there. Now look. There it is. Put it back in. Good. Now can you make this go up? Look, there it is. Woo!
Why would you put it in the ramp instead of in the elevator?
Okay, put it back in. Good. Now make this go down. Push. There it is. Good. Now can you push this up? Here it is. Okay, put it back in. Good. Can you do this? Push it down. There's the truck. Good. Now you do it. Up. Push it all the way up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Oh, yeah. Purple car. Okay, purple car's in there. Can you push this down?
Purple car. Would you call that a purple car?
What is it?
I call it a blue
I
car.
don't know. I didn't get a good look. Periwinkle, perhaps.
Oh,
Maybe it's
perhaps.
the color of Chris's neon.